If you're a graphic designer or someone who is interested in design, I've got an exciting news for you. You already know Canva, one of the most popular tools used in designing online. Well, Canva has released something massive, and it is called the Affinity, and it is the game changer. Think of it like a 3-in-1 powerhouse. You can design vectors like Adobe Illustrator, edit pixels like Adobe Photoshop, and then create layouts like Adobe InDesign, all in one place. But here is the best part. It comes with Canva AI, and according to the CEO, it is totally free. You can use it lifetime without paying a penny. Enough of the long talk, let's jump right into action. I will show you how you can download Affinity free of charge and start creating amazing designs. Let's get started. Okay, so you open our browser, and when it opens, you're going to search for www.affinity.studio. Then you press enter. So it's going to open this home page for you, and when this home page opens, what you are going to do is that you're going to download the Affinity software. So over here, the top right hand side over here, you will see Get Affinity. So just click on Get Affinity. Then it will tell you to sign up before you can download for free. You see $0 for free. So you click on sign up to download. Then you are going to choose your email and then click on continue. Then it will open this page also for you. So you are just going to scroll down, and if you are using Mac OS, you will click here to download the software for Mac OS. For my case, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to go here. Then you can see that there is a drop down arrow over here, so you just click on the drop down. Then you are going to select the version you want according to the machine you are using. So if you're using a very powerful machine, you know where to download. For my case, I'm going to download the first one. So I just click on it, and then you can see that download have started. The software is just 623 megabytes. It's not even up to 1 gig. I've downloaded it already, so I'm just going to open it. And this is how the interface looks like. This is the interface, the home page. So if you want to create vector images, you will click here. For pixel tool, you will click here, and then if you want to create layouts, it's here. And you want to use Canva AI, you also click here. If you want a full tutorial on how to use it, just comment it in the comment section and I'll sort you out. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel as well. Before we leave, don't forget to stay active and stay connected. This is Great Filippo. Until we meet again.